News is coming in now from Noida near Delhi, where a 17-year-old committed suicide after she was allegedly harassed by three men from the neighborhood. The teenager had informed her parents, who also filed a complaint with the police in Chajarsi on Friday, but no action has been taken against the accused. Till now, the accused are still on the run. Now, the 17-year-old girl committed suicide in her house in Chajarsi on Friday night after she was allegedly harassed repeatedly by these three men who had also tried to kidnap her. The girl is a class 12 student and had informed her parents that three youths had been stalking her for the past month, is what the police has claimed. Take a listen.
जो प्रथम दृष्टया जानकारी आई है कि वो बच्ची ने छेड़खानी की शिकायत की थी, जिस पर थाना फेज 3 में धारा 354 आईपीसी के तहत अभियोग पंजीकृत किया गया था। जो छात्रा के बैग से एक सुसाइड नोट मिला है, उसमें भी उसने लड़कों द्वारा छेड़खानी की बात, उससे परेशान होने की बात कही है।
लेकिन सर, पीड़ित परिवार का आरोप ये है कि जो संबंधित चौकी इंचार्ज या थाना उसको टहलाते रहे, आपसे शिकायत करने के बाद तब एफआईआर दर्ज हुई, और अगर पुलिस पहले उन आरोपियों को पकड़ लेती तो वो शायद नहीं मरती।
इस संबंध में क्षेत्राधिकारी नगर द्वितीय से आज्ञा मांगी गई है और चौकी इंचार्ज का अगर दोष होगा तो इस पर कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Well, the police has promised that the Chowki in charge, if he's at fault, action will be taken against him. Bhavtosh is joining us. Bhavtosh, first of all, the accused are on the run, and also there's another charge of dereliction of duty by the cops. What are the action being taken on both the fronts?
In fact, there is an update to it. The police have suspended the circle officer or the station in charge of that particular police station. The incident had happened in...
We'll try and connect with Bhavtosh in just a bit, but also getting another reaction. We'll try and get you more updates on the story, but as of now, as Bhavtosh is telling us, that now the Chowki in charge of Chajarsi village has been suspended for dereliction of duty because he had, after an FIR was filed against the three accused 2 days ago, there was no action taken against the three accused. The police has not arrested the accused, and on Friday, the girl hanged herself from a ceiling fan when her parents had gone outside. Bhavtosh is back with us. Bhavtosh, you were telling us about how there has been an action taken against the Chowki in charge. He has been suspended for dereliction of duty, but has action been taken against other people in the Chowki as well?
The police have suspended, as I said earlier, that the person who was heading the police station or the concerned police post has been placed under suspension. He was the one who, in fact, got the information about this incident, but did not take action against the three suspects in this case. The police have also decided to add more sections to the FIR that was filed earlier. In next few hours, the case of abetment to suicide will be registered. The police are now assuring that they will take action against the suspects and they will be charged with abetment to suicide. In the investigation, it has also been revealed that the teenager tried committing suicide 2 days back, but the parents prevented her from doing so. In her complaint, she said that that the suspects in this case used to harass her when she used to go to the college or to the school, and she was in fact taking her exams, and she feared that she would again be subjected to the same kind of harassment. Yesterday, she committed suicide by hanging herself from the ceiling fan, and the police have said that they are carrying out raids to arrest three suspects in this case.